Navigating United Airlines flight cancellations beyond the initial 24-hour window requires understanding their policies. Once the risk-free period concludes, a full refund is typically unavailable. Instead, carefully review your specific ticket's fare rules, as these dictate cancellation terms, including potential flight credit issuance. To initiate a cancellation, start by logging into your United account. Navigate to the My Trips section. This is where you can manage all active bookings. Within the booking details, you will find prompts guiding you through the cancellation process. Should you encounter any difficulties or have specific questions about your situation, contacting United's customer service directly is advisable, allowing you to get personalized assistance and ensure a smooth resolution. Need instant help? Call our customer support now at 1-855-547-0830 for quick assistance and reliable solutions anytime.